All you got is that 2 liter Q? Fucking 2 liter. We're right here at a Car Club Life car show. This is our first kind of official car show. Is this official, Jay, or what?
Very much official.
I don't fucking know. I don't really do this. So, we're just trying to, you know what I'm saying, you know, niggas trying to progress. That's all it is. Then we got this Tricks car right here. This guy got this cereal car. No, that's cool, you know. We're out here trying to look nice, man. You know, we up against all these guys right here. Matter of fact, let's take a walk. Take a walk. See what we got going on right here. Oh my lord. Oh my lord, talk about having knives. Oh my god. Look at this Camaro. Oh, this sucks. Yeah.